So if you want to turn off a Samsung phone and configure the power button to actually turn off device instead of launching Bixby button, so first of all, keep in mind that not all Samsung phones have this problem. As my model is kinda old, I still have this Bixby button. And usually this problem occurs on all the Samsungs which don't have it. So most likely when you're holding your power button, it launches Bixby. So that's not how we want to turn off the device. One of the ways to turn off our device is to swipe down from the top of your screen. Here you'll notice your power button, tap on it, and in this menu simply choose power off option. Also, we can power off our device by holding your power button and volume down button simultaneously. Right, screen goes dark, it either starts restarting or turns off. It once again depends on your model. Alright, and as for the phones that have this issue, right, if you're tired of your power button open in Bixby and you want to turn off your phone instead, you are to open up your settings. And then there we are to find our advanced features, and on phones, on some newer phones, you will find it here. You'll have to find your power button menu and set it up. I don't have this menu, so unluckily I can only tell you this on words. Basically, that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.